name is Sejal. I make DIYs, makeup and some fun related videos. So if you haven't subscribed to my video, then please do. You will enjoy a lot and plus you will learn a few new things from me. So firstly, I really want to thank each one of you for 5,000 subscribers. I have reached 5,000 subscribers and I'm so happy. Thank you so much for growing this family from 0 to 5,000. It's a really big number for me, huge number. And yeah, I'm back to Mumbai and दिल्ली में मुझे शूट करने मिलता नहीं था तो मैंने दिल्ली छोड़ दिया and मैं मुंबई आ गई हूँ वापस. So today I shooted this makeup tutorial and this is a celebrity inspired makeup tutorial of Deepika Padukone. She looks so pretty in this picture. I don't know whether I have done justice to that look or no, but inspired in the sense the makeup what she has done in that video. I'm not gonna look the replica of her, so obviously I'm not Deepika Padukone, I'm Sejal Singh. It's a party makeup look, bold lips and highlighted face. If you wanna know how I got this look, so please keep on watching. I'm starting with applying sunscreen. So this is Lakme Sun Expert Fairness Plus UV Lotion. It has 50 SPF, PA++, UVA and UVB. So this is the sunscreen. White tint to it and it also gives a shine to your face, so I really like this sunscreen. Today I'm gonna mix two foundations. This is from MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation and this is Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation. So yeah, these two foundations I'm gonna mix. This is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. All the details of the products will be listed in the bottom. Beauty blender to just blend it. So to highlight my under eyes and some usual areas, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer and this is in the shade Light Ivory. I just quickly set my under eyes with B1 translucent makeup powder and also set my face with this. So I'm going to take this brush. I have already reviewed these brushes, so if you want I'll put the link in the description box. My face feels very powdery, so I'm going to spray Kiss Beauty Makeup Fixing Spray with vitamin E and green tea extracts. So I'll just spray this on my face. Oh, look at the glow. I'll fill my brows with Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil and it's in the shade Browns. Next I'm gonna take my favorite Salome eyeshadow palette. You can take any matte shades like to place in your crease line. मैं ये येलो कलर अपने दोनों आंखों पर obviously लगाने वाली हूँ और ये एक fluffy brush है जो हम अपने crease में use करते हैं. फिर ये जो brown shade है, usually मैं ब्राउन शेड यूज करती हूँ, बट आज मैं ये ब्राउन शेड यूज करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मैं उसको एकदम डीपन शो करना चाहती हूँ, तो वो ब्राउन शेड मैं अपने क्रीज के जस्ट थोड़े नीचे बट इन द क्रीज ओनली प्लेस करूँगी। उसके बाद मैं ये ब्राउन शेड लेकर अपने क्रीज लाइन पर दोनों के बीच में प्लेस करूंगी। फिर मैं ग्लिटर आई शैडो प्लेस करूंगी। उसके लिए मैं अपना मिस रोज आई शैडो पैलेट यूज करूंगी। फिर उसमें मैं ये जो टॉप शेड है ये वाली, ये बहुत ही गोल्डनी ब्राउनी कलर है, तो उसे मैं अपने पूरे लिड पर प्लेस कर लूंगी। ब्राउन शेड लेकर अपने आउटर वी में प्लेस करूंगी ताकि मैं उसे और थोड़ा ज्यादा डीपन कर सकूं। सो ये ब्राउन शेड लूंगी मैं। नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई eyeliner and this eyeliner is from APK Deep Black Waterproof Eyeliner. I have just applied the brown eyebrow pencil in my lower lid and Maybelline Colossal mascara. So I have not worn any false eyelashes. This is just the mascara. I have put good 2 coats of it. So yeah, you get fuller eyelashes. My Makeup Revolution palette and this brown shade. It's a very pretty, nice bronzy color and this is angled brush. And this is Maybelline Color Show blush and this is in the shade Peachy Sweetie. You see? Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminating Palette. हाँ ये टूट गया था तो मैंने इसे फिक्स किया, so I could not get back to the real design of it. It's very nice champagne color. Wow. And now the last and my favorite part is lipstick. So for lipstick, I'm going to use from Sugar and the shade is 10 Cherry Darling. That is how I created this look. Thank you so much guys. The support from you guys is tremendous. You know why it's tremendous? Because it keeps me motivating. It keeps me supporting. एक दो लोग आपको मैसेज करते हैं कि आप क्यों नहीं अपलोड कर रहे हो वीडियोस. We are waiting for your videos. That keeps you so motivating and it really helps me a lot. Like then I'm like, come on, let's do it and let's shoot a video. So thank you so much for supporting me and please keep on supporting me and do let me know how I have done this makeup tutorial. So please do like, comment. Your likes and comments are very much valuable for me as well and for others as well. So give your part in it. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and be happy.